Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use the TV audio and your headset audio on your PlayStation 4 together at the same time. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So do you want to go ahead and make content for YouTube, and maybe you don't have a capture card and you're just recording like with a camera or something, and you want to go ahead and get the game audio over your TV speaker but still be able to talk to your friends? How would you go ahead and do that? So I have my headset right here. This is just a standard USB headset. Otherwise, you can go ahead and connect one of the headsets from your controller and talk to your friends through that. Now let's go over my PlayStation 4 right now. So on my PlayStation 4, let's go up to the top and then go over to settings and then scroll down to devices. Select this option and then go down to audio devices. So this is what it looks like with no headset in. So you want your audio output device to be selected to TV or AV amplifier. Now let's go ahead and plug in my headset and everything's going to switch over. So I have to log in with a user. So this is what it looks like. I have my USB headset for input and my output device. Now your input device will be your microphone, how you communicate and talk with your friends. And your output device will be where your audio is going. So right now my audio is going to my USB headset. Now I can switch this back over to my TV or AV amplifier. So let's select that. So now I will be able to talk with my friends, and I will be able to get the audio through my TV at the same time. So here's my adjust microphone, and I'm able to talk. As you can see, the microphone is working. Now if I go back over to like Minecraft or something, I'm gonna go ahead and get the audio through my TV now. So you'll be able to go ahead and record and do any kind of YouTube video now and be able to get the audio, no problem. So use your headset and get the game audio through your TV at the same time together. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 or 5 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.